we're gonna go down and hook the pump and bring it up on these guide rails. This one's fairly clean, no grease or anything in it. I mean, there's some things in it like pins and other things, and tampons, but that's pretty common for a big system like this when you're dealing with the public flushing things. These big cast iron risers with the 90s, or the outlets, the discharge lines, I should say. That's pumping to the city sewer. All the sewage from the building comes into this chamber here, and then when the water level fills up to a certain point where these floats are hanging, where the on float is, it kicks on and pumps it down and takes it to the city. We just kicked them on to bring the water level down to where we can see the hook to hook this first pump. Maybe a record there. I lifted the whole metal lid off the ground.
Both of them catch like that.
That there can be a problem. We're gonna get that out of there, and we call this a no clog type pump, and it's got a discharge right here that hooks up to a flange down at the bottom of the basin. So some big things can pass through there, but it can still get jammed up if all this, mop string and feminine products and whatever else we got in there. And it can only do so much. That's why it's important to do these maintenances here.